Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Canva on your mobile device to design good artwork. Let's go to Canva. Let's go to my designs. Let's say, let's work on this one. You can literally do everything that you do online, you can do on your phone. So let's change this to earn affiliate income. Register on GrowSpace. There you go. That's your design done. You then export it like this by top right hand corner. Save it as a PNG. Select one of these pages. Click download. And then let's save that. Let's just put it somewhere. Let's put it here for now. Register in GrowSpace. That doesn't sound right. It's a perfect example of how we can quickly go fix. Instead of jumping behind the PC, you can just do this real quick. GrowSpace. Paste. Is my referral link down the bottom here. So all I need to do is if I would like to point someone directly to a specific product, I put that in as the link, and then I just add this part as my token. So I'm going to copy that. And then basically I can go onto Instagram or onto GrowSpace. Search for a product. Let's say we want the Grow Tower. There we go. Here's the Grow Tower. Let's click it. There we go. So you got Grow Tower there. Let's go right to the end of it. Click paste. Look, there's my code. So now I do this. And I copy that. Go back here. I did some other funky stuff and I want to get rid of it quickly, so I just did that. So register with my link to earn 10 Rand when you sign up. Put a little thumbs up there. This is the kind of pace I'm expecting you to do it if you are doing something along these lines. And there it is. Okay. I can even, save it like that. Download this. Now, I don't actually want this as a TikTok or whatever. I'd like a YouTube thumbnail because I'm making YouTube videos, right? So let's go to YouTube. Thumbnail. Let's go in here. Let's find something that's suitable for the brand. What's suitable? This could be quite nice, this one. Just remember, stick to your branding and style guides. It's not it. Let's go back to YouTube. It looks more like that. So what I need to do is, I need to log out of this. Let's go in again. Different account this time. And there we go. Here are my designs. So let's go email thumbnail, gross space YouTube thumbnails. Boom. There we go. So now, tap like this. Let's say, come here, duplicate. We now have a 13th one. Okay. So this auto applies here. How to, and then let's say, share your affiliate link, your referral link, grow space. This would be this doesn't sound right. Let's delete that. This needs to be aligned. There we go. And this needs to change its color. So we come down here, press color, change that to white. Too much writing. And then let's insert an image of some kind. Like a dollar sign. Let's go to our uploads. See. Something like this. This thing needs to pop somehow. Okay, that's better. Now we can take this, save it as, change it down to PNG. I think it's the last one here. Right. Cancel that. Let's make sure. What is this one called? Number 14. Okay. Save image. Okay. Now, go back to your video like this. Say edit. And you add a thumbnail. Might have to do this in YouTube Studio. Okay. Press edit. Oh well, it doesn't seem like you can do it on the mobile. Well, either way, you now know how to make a YouTube thumbnail, and you know how to use Canva from your mobile.